Hello viewer, welcome on our online class. Hope you are well by the mercy of our Creator. I also hope that you always study attentively at home because we are passing a critical situation. To continue our studies, our government as well as the teachers of school, college and madrasa tries their best to hold online class. As a part of this, I would like to discuss today article D. Stay with me and learn. Today our part is definite article D. To indicate particular person or thing, we use both singular and plural the. Like, look at the boy. Here the boy is a particular boy. The book is out of print. The book here, the particular book. When we have particular book or thing or person, we have to use definite article the. Noun using second time. When we use noun second time, we use the. Like, I have a shirt. This shirt is very nice. In this way, we can say that I live in a village. The village is very beautiful. When we use second time any noun and repeat in a sentence, we have to use the. A part of a material noun. As we know, there is no use of article in material noun like water, gold, sugar. But if it is the part of the thing, then we use article the. Like here, gold is a precious metal. There is no article. Gold as a material noun, but the gold of the ring is pure. Here the part of the gold. Superlative degree. When we have a superlative degree, we use the. Like, he is the best boy in the class. Hamid is the tallest boy in our village. Dhaka is the biggest city in Bangladesh. In this way, we can use the before the superlative degree. A particular part of a thing. A particular part of a thing, we use the. Like, I like the yellow part of eggs. The yellow part of eggs. So we have here use the. Using body organ to do something. When we use body organ to do something like hand, head, leg, we use definite article the. Like, he caught me by the arm. By the arm. In this way, we can also show so many examples. I pulled the boy by the ear. We kick the ball by the legs. Adjective to understand the whole classes or communities. When adjective understood the whole community or classes, then we use the. Like, The rich are not always happy. Here rich adjective we use the. Nation or race. Understood, we have used article the. The English, the Indian, the Bengalis, the Chinese and the Japanese. Geographical meaning. Which country has a geographical meaning? We use the. Like the Punjab. Collectively formed countries. Which countries are collectively formed? We use the. Like the USA, the UK. Singular thing in the nature. Naturally, the things are always singular. We use the. The moon, the sun, the earth. Name of the road. The Selina Parveen Road. Street or avenue. When we have street and avenue, we will not article a or an or the. It will be zero article. Ordinal number. He is the first boy in our class. Holy book, the Quran, the Bible, the Gita, newspaper, the Ittefaq, the Inqilab, the Observer, famous building, Taj Mahal, big ship, the Titanic, river, the Jamuna, the Karnafuli, train, the Tista, and the side, the north, the earth, the east, the west. We use the. Dear viewer, from today's topic, we learned where we use definite article the. You have to exercise it at home and you are invited to watch our next videos. Until then, Allah Hafiz.